Hi, today we are going to cover a topic failure of joints, and specifically we are talking about bolt failures. Okay, subject is design of steel structure. So, what's in the sheet? This is a PDF sheet which is containing some questions regarding failure of joints and specifically about bolt failure. When we are going to click the right answer regarding the question, that will take us to the next question. So, what's in the sheet? Diagram showing the joint failure modes due to bolts, and we have to click the relevant image of failure as asked in the question. Okay, there is also one instruction that we are going to use Adobe PDF reader for better viewing experience and interactive experience. Okay, so click here to start. Okay, let's click this. Alright, what we have been dealing with? Okay, which diagram shows tensile failure of bolt, and we have been provided with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 modes of failure. Okay, all these 6 modes of failure, all these 6 picks are representing failure of bolt in a joint. Now let's focus on the word tensile failure. Now see this diagram, this one, this one, this one, this one. No, now see this one. In this, a bolt is shown to be pulled apart by a tensile force. Okay, tensile stress is being exerted on the bolt. Now see, since the tensile force, the tensile stress is exceeding the tensile strength of the bolt, that's why a neck formation has taken place over here. Okay, you can see this, and after that a breakage has taken place. Okay, totally the bolt has failed in tension. Okay, so let's try clicking this another one. Okay, this is the right answer. Let's try to click other sheet, other picks. So this is not responding. Okay, this is not going to respond because we are clicking some else option here. Okay, and when the question is asking which diagram shows tensile failure of the bolt, and let's try clicking this one. Okay, let's try to click this diagram, then we can see that it leads us to the next question. Let's try taking this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, click. Okay, we are now at question number 2, and the question is asking which diagram shows bending failure of bolt. Okay, which diagram is showing bending failure? Okay, this one is tensile failure, this one should be the bending failure. Okay, clearly you can see the cover plates are there, and the main plate has caused bending of the bolt. Okay, you can see here bending of the bolt has taken place. Now let's try to click this one. If this is correct, we will proceed to next question. Okay, 3, 2, 1, click. All right, we are on the question number 3. We are on the third page. Okay, see, this is a PDF. All the pages are freely available for you to scroll, but clicking the relevant answer, clicking the right image will not only revise the topic but will also help you to remember exact thing, exact concept that has been asked in the question. Okay, now we are at bearing failure of a bolt. Okay, so in this page, on this specific page, this is the tensile failure, this was what bending failure. Okay, these are seemingly the shear failure, therefore this one. Okay, look at this one, bearing failure of the bolt has taken place. Okay, let's try to click this one. All right, we are at question number 4. Now see, question is which diagram shows double shear failure of bolt. Now let's focus on the word double shear failure. See this one, this image, single shear plane is there, single shear plane is there, therefore this is single and this is lap joint. Okay, this one's a butt joint, and in which a single shear plane can be seen. Okay, across a single plane the bolt have been sheared off. Now see this one, this is a double cover butt joint. Now see upper one, this one specifically focus on the pointer. This one is the first shear plane, upper shear plane. This one is the second shear plane, that is lower shear plane. Therefore number of shear planes in which the bolt have been sheared off are 2. That's why this diagram shows us what? Double shear failure of bolt. Let's click this one, and then we will go to next question. If it is right, we will go to next question. Click it. Alright, we are at question number 5. Which diagram shows single plane shear failure of bolt in butt joint? Okay, focus the word butt joint and shear failure. See, this was butt joint, this was a double cover butt joint. Okay, and in that we can see two shear planes are there. Now this one is single cover butt joint, and since cover is one, the shear failure will occur in single shear plane. Okay, therefore which diagram shows single plane shear failure of bolt in butt joint? This should be the diagram. Okay, let's click this one. Alright, we are at the last question, which is asking us which diagram shows shear failure of bolt in lap joint. Obviously we have covered tensile failure, then bending failure, then bearing failure, then double shear plane failure, then single shear plane failure in butt joint. These two are butt joints. Okay, this one is lap joint. You clearly can see that two plates have been kept upon lapped upon each other and they were connected by using a bolt. Now click this one and we will be coming to end of this sheet. Alright, this was the end of the sheet. The same sheet is available on Telegram group of Simplified Learning, Telegram channel of Simplified Learning. You will find the link in the description. Okay, so make the best use of this sheet for your conceptual revision, for your general revision. Okay, and it can also be used as a time pass quiz. Okay, that will be just refreshing the concept that you once studied. Okay, since the approach is graphical, since the approach is pictorial, it will help to remember what kind of exact thing goes on when we talk about failure, shear plane failure and bearing and tensile and all the types, all the modes of failure that we discussed previously in the subject DSS when we talked about the topic failure of connections. Okay, so that was all. Let's meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.